I'm repotting this orchid that I got from a plant swap about 3 weeks ago. There's new growth coming from the middle, and there's some aerial roots. I'm loosening the sides of the pot. I dug it out and I see some very obviously dead roots. I'm just snipping away the dead roots right now. I'm soaking this in water for about 10 minutes so it gets rehydrated. The original potting soil looked like normal potting soil, and it's not right for orchids. Taking it out after 10 minutes, and I can see how green those roots are. I'm repotting it into a smaller pot with orchid mix. The orchid mix is supposed to give really good drainage and especially made for orchids. I'm leaving some of the aerial roots poking out and giving it a little water. I'm letting it drain out, and she's in her final resting place in a terrarium. I'll keep you updated.